highlighters! It's Leo here. Welcome back for another highlight. Namiss ko kayo. Ang dami kong ipapakita sa inyo on the following days. Meron akong new Pop Mart collection. Nandito na rin yung Starbucks Tradition collection ko for 2025. And of course, before that, ito muna, as promised, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, papakita ko sa inyo what's inside this box. Yan. And right timing. Almost a year na rin since McDonald's launches their first ever Crocs collab here in the Philippines. Yan. Diba? Let's count in 3, 2, 1. Yan. Yes. Yay. Yan. So by the way, if you're staying tuned on my vlog, this is what I got. Yon, sa launching na McDonald's Croc True here in the Philippines sa McDonald's BGC 27th Street. Yan. And tinanghali tayo ng gising nun, kaya nakuha natin is Gbits lang. This cost 1,995 pesos by the way. Yan. Which has the iconic Golden Arches logo, the world's famous fries. Yan. Diba? The Chicken McNuggets. The drinks, yan, McDonald's drinks, and of course, the iconic Big Mac, yan, diba? Yan, And if you're wondering, where did I get this box? Yan, I bought it at the online marketplace, yan. Since actually, para makuha to, you need to be the first 10 customers na nakapila ata doon. Or if ever, dapat influencer ka na invited on that event sa McDonald's Croc True. And hindi naman tayo invited. At di ba tinanghali nga tayo ng gising. At nakuha lang natin yung Gbits. Yan. And the box comes with a card. Yan o, di ba? Nice, di ba? Actually, hindi lang siya papel. Yan. So, may nakasulat rin sa likod. Yan. And upon purchasing the Crocs Gbits, meron siyang free na photo card. But not just an ordinary photo card, but it serves as a free burger and fries. Yan, that you could claim anywhere you wanted. Yan. Pero I'll reserve this as my souvenir na lang. Yan. But wait, there's more. Yan. And as promised, highlighters like what I have told you last year or from my last vlog, napapakita ko yung what's inside the box, di ba? And babalik ako sa inyo once I've completed all the pairs. Yan. Kaya yan, papakita natin one by one. Yan. So let's start first with yan. Oh, si Birdie. Yan. So each pair comes with this specially marked plastic packaging. Diba? So yan, diba? Oh, so cool, right? Diba? So nakalagay siya dito. Okay. Yan. And here's the closer look of Birdie Crocs. Yan. It's size 8 men's and women 10. Yan. Size 9 ako, so sabi nila pag clogs daw, less 1 daw para fit lang talaga sa foot mo. Yan. Sa fit, I mean. Yun. And yun. So here's the closer look. Yan, di ba? So it comes with a Birdie Gbits. Di ba? An Egg McMuffin Gbits. Of course, here's the eyes and the scarf of Birdie, diba? And yung pattern na mga flock ng feathers ni Birdie. Of course, the iconic ribbon of Birdie, yan, diba? So you could wear it if you wanted, but I'll just skip it as a collection or I'll just display this one actually since magkakaroon siya ng creases eh. So yan. And this costs 4,745 pesos yan. And unfortunately, nakuha ko na po siya sa reseller kasi tinanghali na nga po tayo ng gising on that day ng event. At balita ko nga nun sa mga SM stores, nagtakbuhan pa daw yung mga tao for this one. Grabe, di ba? So, yan. So, I forgot how much ko siya nakuha, pero most likely around 5,000 to 6,000 and up. Ayan. So, here's the first pair. Here's Birdie Crocs. And here's the next one. Hihi, yan. It's Grimace. Yo, wait. So again, here's the special packaging of Grimace. Yan, diba? Who doesn't love Grimace? Diba? Yan, okay. And Grimace is one of the best design from the pair. Yan, since it's a cozy sandals yan. Diba? Meron siyang like ganun. Oh, ang sarap sa paa. So, good luck na lang kung pawisin yung paa nyo. Diba? Nako. Kaya yun, pang display ko lang talaga siya. And yan, it comes with G-Bits ni Grimace. Yan. And Grimace is wearing a Crocs also. Diba? A neon green Crocs. Diba? And here's the face of Grimace. Yan no? The eyes, the mouth, or the diba, smiling mouth. Yan. And of course, here's the, I'm not sure what is this one, but I think it's a milkshake. Yan, di ba? Sa US kasi, di ba? Meron siyang special event or promo kay Grimace sa milkshake. So, yan. And anything sa ilalim. Okay, so nice, di ba? Yan. And again, hindi ko siya nakuha ng SRP but on a higher price. Once again, here's Grimace. And here's the third pair. It's no other than Hamburglar. Yay! Yeah. Okay. So here's the design of the special packaging. Yan. Yan. By the way, it's Ziploc pala ha. Yan. So nakalagay siya dito. So wait, I'll just demo. Yan. Yan siya. Okay, di ba? So once you bought it on our retail shop, nakalagay siya dito. And by the way, it's not an exclusive Philippines release ha. So release siya worldwide. Kaya yun, naubusan ako sa Philippines. Kaya yun, that's the reason kaya mas mahal siya na nakuha. Kasi binili siya from the other country. Yan. Forgot kung how much and what shop. But at least ito na, diba? Kompleto na. Yan. Diba? Yan. So by the way, yan. Same as Birdie, meron siyang silhouette ni Hamburglar. Wait, hindi ko napakita. Diba? Yan o. Birdie silhouette and Hamburglar silhouette. And ayun nga pala, meron dito. Si Grimace, may silhouette rin siya. Ayun ako. Okay. Pero tela naman kay Grimace yan. So ito, painted sa plastic or sa rubber. Yan. So then, yan yung eyes or eyes ni Hamburglar. So, may mouth siya. Cool, right? Tapos, here's the famous necktie of Hamburglar. And, it's a hat, I think. Yeah, it's a hat, diba? Yan. Okay. And, yan. Of course, here's Hamburglar wearing a Crocs. By the way, the G-Bits that I'm presenting to you, kasama na siya doon sa Crocs na clogs. So, yan. Hindi siya sold separately. Unlike this one, iba kasi to. Yan. So, other design po siya. Okay. So, yellow po yung sa baba niya. And size 8. Okay. Since size 9 ako. Okay. So, once again, here's Hamburglar Crocs. By the way, I forgot to tell you that yan, si Hamburglar and si Birdie Crocs cost 4,745 pesos. Yan. Same price sila, since same design. Yan. While on the other hand, si Grimace mas mura. Grimace costs only 4,495 pesos. So, di ba? Mas mura na ng konti. And it's the same with the last pair of Crocs, and it's no other than the classic red McDonald's Crocs. Yan. Oh, di ba? Hihi. So, yan. Wait. I'll show you the plastic packaging. And by the way, yan. So, nabili ko siya or sa online seller from Taiwan. Yan. Sa Taiwan niya nakuha. Yan. Diba? Yan. So, what's written on the plastic packaging is that I'm loving it. Diba? Yan. So, if you're familiar, why not hindi si Ronald McDonald na nakalagay here? Since, di ba, parang sa America is may issue si Ronald McDonald. Yun. Since yung sa clown issue. And I'm not that pretty sure the exact story about that one. So, just search it na lang. Kaya, they're featuring other design. Yun. Okay. And yun nga, nagkamali, hindi kami nagkaintindihan na seller dito since size 9 rin yung nakuha niya. Yan. Kaya ang laki sa akin. Pero size 9 po ako. Yan. So yan, di ba? Walang picture ni McDonald's, but what's written or printed on the sole is the French fries, the iconic French fries. Yan. And it comes also with the yan. Actually, yun. Yung what's comes in sa with this pair, it's the same yung nabibili nyo na Jibbitz lang. So, yan. Meron siyang fries. Meron siyang drinks. Yan. Kita nyo? Yon. Then, may nuggets here. Then, the Big Mac. Yan. And, last but not the least, there's another tawag dito, fries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lang dito. So, yan. Ayun lang difference. Diba? Okay. Right? Diba? And by the way, again, 4,000, ano to? Magkano to? 4,000. By the way, this is 4,495 pesos, Ngayon, 2024, there's a lot of fake. Yan. So, beware. Wala mo magbibenta ng 300 pesos nito. So, expect it's a fake edition. And meron nga nag-post nga nun na iba-ibang color pa. Then same design. Grabe, diba? Pero syempre, doon pa rin tayo sa original. Like, what dun sa, yung miniature na Crocs, diba? Na, grabe yun. That's the best-selling Happy Meal toys ever. Within 3 days, 2 days, or 1 day, nagkakaubusan agad sa mga stores yon. Grabe. Diba? Then, each pair of toy, parang ang market value niya is 500 pesos and up na, diba? Grabe, diba? So, yan. So, once again, here's the classic red plugs or the McDonald's Crocs. And last but not the least, yan. They also release a pair of socks, yan. And each pair of socks costs 1,745 pesos. Grabe, diba? So, yan. First muna kay Birdie. Yan. So, yan. May wing si Birdie. Yan. And ayoko alisin sa pinaka-plastic. Since naka-ano rin siya nakatali. So, masisira sa diba? Gusto ko ma-retain yung pagka-mint condition niya. Then, here kasi may naka-print na mukha ni Birdie sa mismong socks. Yan. Natatakpan lang. And color pink siya. So, best paired with the plugs. So, yan. Diba? Mostly kapag sinusuot yung mga plugs, nagwe-wear ng socks. Yan. Diba? So, here's the first one. Then, next, si Hamburglar. Yan. Best partnered with the Hamburglar plugs. Diba? Diba? Yan. So, may mga burgers siya. Tapos, yan. Wala siyang print ni ni Hamburglar, but puro burger naman siya. And what's written here, Crocs socks, di ba? Then the Golden Arches logo. Yan. And last but not the least, yan, ang pinaka-nice for me is, pinaka-simple, is Grimace socks. Yan, di ba? Para siyang feather ni Grimace. I'm not pretty sure if may printed na, meron. May mukha siya. Sa loob, ayun, kung nasisilip nyo. Yan, meron, 'di ba? Meron yun, mukha niya, yun. And I'm not pretty sure dito, wait nga, silipin natin. Baka naman, wala nga, wala. So, burger lang talaga kay Hammerlord. So, ito, si Grimace meron. 'Di ba? So, partner na partner here. Yan. And that sums up the McDonald's Crocs collection from the year 2023. Yan. And the 2024, alam niyo naman, mga miniature keychains na Crocs, 'di ba? And may pakita pa ako sa inyo. Ito pa, meron lang ni-release from other country. Si Crocs. Yan. Wherein, it's wait. Yan. Wait. Naglo-loading lang siya. Yan. So, there's a new. So, there's a new pair of socks and clogs this 2024. And unfortunately, and I'm not pretty sure bakit hindi siya nilabas dito sa Philippines. Kaya, if meron kayong kamag-anak, relatives, friends, or loved ones sa ibang bansa, better order it na via online. Then, ipaship sa kanila. So, meron silang McDonald's Crocs socks. Yan, no? Oh, diba? And, of course, the new design of the McDonald's Classic Clog, the Happy Meal. Oh, nice. Diba? Meron siyang Happy Meal, oh. So, naka-sale pa siya from $69.99 now down to $48.99 So, di ba nag-sale pa? Sana naman makakuha tayo. Actually, kinonta ko lang yung pinsan ko. And actually, yun, sa mga naghahanap, meron pa rin dito. Meron pa si Birdie, So, official, sa website ng Crocs. Yan. By the way, this is not a paid advertisement by McDonald's or Crocs. So, we're just flexing our collection. Okay? Diba? So, that's all for now, highlighters. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you in the next highlight. Bye! More Crocs collection very soon.